Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for turning the notifications on. We all spend money on skincare products, so skip the fancy serum and splurge on good honey. You can use it to wash your face, make a scrub or treat your skin to a weekly homemade honey mask. These masks are perfect for an at-home facial. Here are 5 simple recipes to get you started. Find the one that works for your skin type or the problem you want to address. Add lemon juice, honey and baking soda to a small bowl. Mix well and apply over the face and neck. Avoid the area near your eyes. Lemon juice and honey will both sting. Don't turn this into a scrub by rubbing it into your skin. After 15 minutes, remove the mask with warm water, then with cold water. A caution when using lemon juice. Lemon can also make the skin photosensitive. Rinse your face thoroughly and use sunscreen if you'll be out in the sun soon afterward. Combine clay, honey and apple cider vinegar in a small non-reactive bowl. Never use metal when working with clay. Stir together and gently apply to the face and neck. After 15 minutes, remove the mask with warm water, then with cold water. Combine matcha powder, honey and oil in a small bowl and mix well. If you don't have matcha powder, cut open a green tea bag and use the leaves. Apply this to the face and leave it for 15 minutes before washing off warm water. Add honey and avocado to a small bowl and mash together. Stir in the ground almonds. Spread over the face and neck and after 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Mix all ingredients together in a small bowl. Apply a thin layer over your entire face and neck. Rest for 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat the mask weekly or use the mixture as a daily spot treatment by dabbing it onto discoloration. Results will take 2 to 3 months.